Don't even get me started here. Are seed oils a driver of chronic disease? There's a back and forth debate in the world of nutrition, especially over the last few years, about the effects of consuming seed oils. Many mainstream health institutions like Harvard, the Mayo Clinic, the Heart Association, the World Health Organization have told us for years to reduce our saturated fat consumption and instead replace them with seed oils, which they claim to be heart healthy. However, many argue this couldn't be farther from the truth and is instead a major factor driving modern day disease. Prior to the 20th century, our diets had a balance of the essential fatty acids, omega-3s and omega-6s, where we need that balance for optimal health. However, modern day diets can contain 20 times more omega-6s than omega-3s due to seed oils, so that balance is completely thrown out, causing mitochondrial dysfunction, metabolic dysfunction that can lead to chronic disease like obesity, cancer, and heart disease. Seed oils are used in most restaurants and pubs, cafes and fast food chains, and are in basically every packaged or processed product that you'll find at the supermarket. Here, check this out. You'll find it in 99% of long life milk, such as oat milk, canola oil, or soy milk. You got sunflower and canola, shapes, vegetable oil, or jats, vegetable oil, muesli bars marketed as healthy, seed oils, or alleged healthy protein bars, seed oils. And it's the same with these apparently healthy sweet potato chips, vegan, gluten-free, less than 105 calories, seed oils. And don't worry, meat doesn't get off the hook either. Vegetable oil, peanut butter, vegetable oils, it's even in your healthy roast chicken soup, sunflower and canola. So if seed oils really are a major factor in driving modern day chronic disease, this is absolutely terrifying and why we need to eat real whole foods.